Okay, good morning everyone. Today we're just gonna document this process of changing a battery um, of a Honda remote key. This is my Honda Jazz remote key, and I found that the battery is not working anymore. When I press this light supposed to be on, but it is not. So I'm going to change this. I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, we need a screwdriver. Just find a small one to open up this screw. Alright, there's only one screw to open, and you'll find here there's a gap here you can open using your fingernail, or just use a Phillips screwdriver. You can do it too. So I'm just gonna open this one. Just flip it like this. You can see that here we open this way, yeah, and then you'll find the remote itself is actually this unit where you can take out. If it's not coming out, you can slowly push this from the bottom. Yeah, push it up, take it out, and see this unit. When you press it, this light is not on. So the battery is in here. We just need to open it up. Maybe we can try like using our fingernail, just slowly. Yep, it's easy to open actually, as you can see. This is the battery we're gonna replace, and on the unit itself it does show us something here. Don't know if you can see it, but let me zoom it, see whether we can actually zoom this. Maybe we can just bring it closer to the camera. I'll zoom it so you can see that there's actually a code here. It says CR1616. That's the best battery type. It says here CR1616. Okay, I'm just gonna put it down again. Refocus. Okay, all right, so we're gonna change the battery. CR1616, I've got it here. It's a 3 volts lithium cell. So we're just gonna pry this open. You can change it to the Phillips screwdriver and just pry this open. Take this battery out carefully. Yep, take them out. And make sure the polarity is correct, okay, when you install it. Make sure the positive is facing down. I'm just gonna take one of these. Can't remember when I bought this battery. Take one out. So it's a CR1616. CR1616, 3 volts, okay? And we're gonna change it. Remember, it's facing down. So face down, this new battery. It's a bit hard to insert. It's like there is a somehow probably quite a bit of force. When you slide it in, just push it down. Yep. Now it's in. Okay, so what we're gonna do, just put it back on. I think the other way around. There's only one way to put it back on, so don't worry about it. You can see that when I press, it's actually slided up. So I think it's working. So there's no screw here. We just put it back like this. Easy job. And remember, this is how it is open initially. Make sure it's all nicely put together, and then we can change the screwdriver head, change it to this one, and put it back. Don't over tighten it, make sure it is here. It's all done. So that's how we do it. Okay, just changing this particular remote. I think it's gonna be the same for the rest of Honda remote key, or maybe other brand as well. But you guys just make sure you get the right battery size and code. So, and then when you install it, make sure that if the positive is facing down or facing up, you just have to remember it. And before you do that, maybe you want to take a picture of it, just in case if you need to go out to buy the battery. So alright, if you like this video and want me to make more video about how to do things DIY, do it yourself, please subscribe on the bottom down there on my video, and then yeah, if you like it, comments on it. I'll try to improve it. Alright, thanks very much, mate. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.